this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to paint some faraway mountains in the distance. And usually with the rule of thumb with the mountainscapes is if there's water droplets in the air, they make it kind of hazy and grayed out, and they put a lot of blue color cast into the air between you and a mountain that's really, really far in the distance. So when we start out with the mountains in the distance, we start out much less pigmented and lighter colored because of the mist in between you and the mountain. And as they begin coming closer to you, they get more colorful, more vibrant, a little bit darker. You can see a little bit more detail on them. So the mountains far away in the distance, there's really no detail on them. They're just kind of hazy, blurred out. You can just see the basic shape. It's hazy and blurred out. So now we're going to mix up a purple color for our mountains in the distance. So I'm mixing up blue and red. So there's a little white in there to lighten it up. So I've got blue with a little red to make a purplish color, light purple. So I'm going to start off over here with the one. And then another one over here. Dip your brush in the water if you need to help it smooth out better. The water really makes it flow nicer. Then as you get closer, we're going to pick up a little bit of yellow and add the yellow color into the purple color that you have. So it's red and blue for purple with a little bit of yellow mixed in. This should give you a kind of a brownish mountain. So this mountain is going to be right in the middle there. So there's a little bit of green and red in there. The green and red cancel each other out and neutralize each other, so you get kind of a brownish mountain. So that mountain wouldn't be real detailed because it's not real close up. So it's still kind of browned out. Another one over there. But as they get closer, they get darker and clearer what's on them. I'll just do a little one over here. Now, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of yellow and highlight the tops of the mountains here, like the sun is shining right there. Look at that. Nice. And on this side, you can always pick up just pure yellow and add it into that color and really make it look like vibrant sunlit grass, fields on the mountain. At the base of the mountain, it gets a little bit darker, and blue is a great shadow color. So you can take some blue and blend it in with the bottom of these mountains. And that becomes the shadow at the base of the mountains. And then you can go over this with trees and different things, but the blue kind of anchors the mountains down at the base, and it adds that shadow to them. And it doesn't have to be this vibrant of blue. So that's the basic background, far off in the distance, mountains. That's how you would paint them. And you can play around with a little bit of color if you want to change the color out a little bit or highlight it with more yellow. You can go ahead and experiment, as long as the mountains far off in the distance have more of a bluish, lighter, hazed out kind of gray color, and your mountains that get closer and closer become more vibrant and darker. You can use a lot of different colors in your mountain backgrounds. So let me know how it went, and hope you have a wonderful day.